Hi everyone, I've got a BMW GT, just doing a side light bulb on this. Just going to show you how it's done. Before we do anything, show you which one it is first. So if I put the lights on and then get to the front, as you see now, that one there is working and this one isn't. Now the bulb that needs to be replaced is the top one. Now these are the one daytime running light, the bottom bulbs are. And the top one, the small bulb there, which you can see right there inside, so that's the one we need to replace. Now to do this, you need to release the bonnet first. Now to release the bonnet, it's a double latch, as you can see there. So if you release it once, that opens the, that releases the bonnet latch, and then if you do it twice, second time, and then removes the lock. So all you then do is just lift the bonnet, rather than doing anything with it. Here we go. Now to do it, it's this cover here that we need to remove. But it's this cover here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to twist it to my left and then take it out. It's the inside bit there, that's the bulb we need to remove. This one here, that's the cover. Yep. And then twist it to your left, like you're undoing something. And then pull the whole thing out, so you can see there. Now this one, it sort of kind of clips in, so you've got these little pins right there. They're slightly out of angle.
Bayonet fitting in it, like a normal bulb.
Yep. So I've got the new one here with me somewhere in my pocket. Now the part number that you need is the R434. Take the bulb out, make sure your hands are not oily or anything. So now if you can see the pins on this as well, so it's slightly at angle. I'm going to connect it back up, same procedure again. You slot it in, twist it to your right, and then this cover goes back on right here. That's all done, so that's solid. Just going to show you if the lights are working now. To see both of them are off, so I'm going to go and switch them on now. Lights on, as you'd see there, that's working, and here this one's working as well. That's all you got to do on your car as well. If any more information, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out. Thank you. Goodbye.